professional directions. Shake well before use. 1. Mist spray of Professional onto a folded microfiber cloth and onto the surface area to be cleaned. 2. Gently wipe the product onto the surface with a pre-wetted folded microfiber cloth. 3. Using a second clean folded microfiber cloth, quickly buff off the remaining residue to impart a deep gloss shine. Replace cloths if they become too soiled. Repeat process until the whole vehicle is clean and highly polished. Can be used in the sun, but for best results, use in the shade out of direct sunlight. Can also be used on a wet or dry surface. Do not use on heavily soiled surfaces with a buildup of mud, caked on sand or any other abrasive materials.